Alright guys, the best part of 3 of the 4 owners being what we do, full-time jobs, and this being the side hustle, is the 0-5 wake-ups come out because we got babies. Come check them out. We gotta get these babies moved out and into their brooder. But at the end of the day, this is the first set that has completely went through the master incubator and the master hatcher. So the Cotornix we hatched out yesterday, we ended up with somewhere around a 80% hatch rate. So here's to doing it on your own and not swiping a card for what you need.